So this is a sewer inspection for 708 Elmira Street in Pasadena. Today is January 22nd, 2018, and I'm Brian from Thistle Plumbing, inspecting the sewer today. So I've already actually pushed the camera in to this location, which is about 89 feet from the cleanout at the side of the house. And you can see that there's a lot of roots inside the sewer at this point, and I actually tried several times to push the camera through this root intrusion here, and I can't. So I located it out in the street at 7 feet deep, so we know where that location is, but in order to see what the pipe looks like after this, it would need to be cleaned out thoroughly and then inspect again with the camera. So with that in mind, I'm going to pull the camera back so we can look at the rest of the sewer pipe. And this is also a clay sewer pipe. And you can see here again, there's more roots coming in. A few more roots coming in there, and more roots coming in the pipe. And this is actually 6-inch clay pipe as well. There's more roots there. And the roots that I can actually see are coming in the connections from one piece of pipe to another. Some more roots there. And then right there, the pipe actually changes from 6-inch clay to 4-inch ABS pipe. So I'm going to continue to pull the camera back. I already looked at this pipe, obviously, to get the camera in. So the ABS pipe has been replaced basically from the curb all the way back to the house, and that section of sewer pipe is perfect. However, the piece out in the street, or from the curb out to the street, obviously has some root intrusions where the camera cannot get past. Therefore we can't actually see what the rest of the sewer pipe looks after that, but we do know that it has to be thoroughly snaked out in order to get the sewer working, and so we can check it again. So as you can see, this is all 4-inch ABS. It's fine, absolutely nothing wrong with this pipe here, at least. Just a section in the street. And then that's the sewer coming from the house, which is just a couple of feet. And then as I bring the camera up, this is the clean out that we used, which is at the side of the house, underneath the tankless water heater. And there's the shingles of the house in the backyard, and the clean out again.